In the year 2021, we went for a shoot at Uttarakhand. This 360 shoot was scheduled by a local tourism company. We had a very small team of around 3 to 4 members, and we have started our trek from Auli. Auli is a beautiful hill station in Uttarakhand, and we have started our journey from Auli to Gorson Bugyal top. There are so many trekking routes from Auli Uttarakhand. One of them is Gorson Bugyal. The Gorson Bugyal is situated almost 3056 meters height from sea level. It's around only 5 km trek from Auli to Gorson Bugyal top. But what makes it difficult is the snow around the entire way. When we were started climbing up, the beauty of the surroundings was purely breathtaking, but we were choking due to the chilling temperature. It was awesome. At the same time, it was really very dangerous and troublesome to walk through the ice. We have used a GoPro 360 max camera to capture the video, and it was shot from the first person point of view. It was previously planned that we will use the GoPro headband to shoot this, but later on we have decided to shoot it with a monopod. Our plan was to hoist the Indian flag at the top of Gorson Bugyal. And trust me, it was thrilling, screaming for our country at that height, when we were truly surrounded by snow peaks around us. And yes, it was one of the memorable moments of my life. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment below. Do you have such memorable moment in your life? Share with us.